India is a rather interesting market when we talk about cars. It is one of the largest markets in the world, yet is not innovation friendly when it comes to affordable cars. However, Kia has changed this landscape, helping it become the fourth largest car maker in no time.
So what pushed Kia to the top ranks is this small compact SUV with me, the Sonet. Let's understand what makes this car so special.
The Kia Sonet is a sub 4-meter compact SUV yet has a road presence not less than cars from a segment above. There's enough standout elements like the signature tiger nose grille, flanked by distinctive crown jewel LED headlamps and heartbeat LED DRLs, connected tail light unit with heartbeat LED tail lamps, dual muffler design and a large skid plate. Kia is offering the Sonet in two trim lines, Tech line and the GT line, with GT line adding extra dash of sportiness thanks to black high glossy elements with red accents that are carry forward inside the cabin. The cabin in itself is a masterpiece and gets more than 30 segment first features, including an air purifier with virus protection, front ventilated seats, LED sound mode lamps, wireless charger with cooling function, and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that dominates the dashboard. The system is well complemented by the Bose Premium 7-speaker surround sound system. Kia Sonet also gets brand's Yovo connectivity system with 57 commands including remote engine start for both automatic and manual transmission.
Now what worked for Sonet apart from the design and the features is the fact that Kia is offering multitude of powertrain options. There are 4 engines and 5 gearbox options you can choose in the new Sonet.
The range starts with the 1.2-litre petrol engine producing 83 PS of power and 115 Nm of torque and gets only a 5-speed manual gearbox. Next is the detuned version of the 1.5-litre diesel engine producing 100 PS and 240 Nm of torque and is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox. While these two are regular set of engines, the real fun lies in the other 2 engine options. There's the 1.5-litre diesel engine borrowed from the Seltos and it produces 115 PS and 250 Nm output. The engine gets a 6-speed automatic gearbox. And then there's the top of the line 1-litre turbo GDI engine with 120 PS power and 172 Nm torque. This is the sole engine option to get 2 gearbox options, a 7-speed DCT gearbox and the newly introduced 6-speed IMT gearbox. Safety and build quality has become paramount even for the budget car buyers in India thanks to agencies like Global NCAP. Kia has been at the forefront of both these aspects in its home turf of South Korea and brings the same quality to India. In terms of safety, Kia Sonet gets 6 airbags, ESP, ABS with EBD, hill assist, TPMS and more. It also gets traction modes and virtual safety assist thanks to the Yovo Connect. Lastly, pricing of the Kia Sonet. No matter how many gadgets you add to a car, pricing will still remain crucial for the Indian car buyer, and Kia Sonet has an attractive price range. It starts at Rs 6.79 lakh for the base variant and goes up to 13.20 lakh for the GTX Plus dual tone variant. There are more than 20 variants to choose from in between this pricing, which also means there's a variant to match your buying preference. So there you go, just like the Seltos, the Sonet has also proved to be a milestone for Kia in India. We can only hope that Kia keeps on bringing such innovative and exciting products to the Indian shores.